Hello friends, day 22 and I'm just outside Hay. I've been looking forward to today for a long time because I've come up on Hay Bluff and I've been looking at the map and seeing this fabulous big open area, and it's been amazing, absolutely stunning. The views are wonderful, as you will see shortly, and I've had a great day. So this is where I'm camped tonight, Hay Bluff, and having seen virtually nobody all day, when I arrived here and started putting my tent up, about 15 of the Hay Hot Footers Running Club came past, so we had a bit of a chat.